Hi, I'm Bob with FlorStar. I'd like to show you the new line from Arbor Ranch called Newport Plank. Now we've already seen from Arbor Ranch our initial launch of the product called Laguna, which is a 6.5 inch wide, slice face, wire brushed white oak. Newport Plank is an upgrade from that. What we have is a wider width, 7.5. This is a 3mm thick top lie sawn face. What you see with that sawn face is an extra level of realism, an extra level of depth of character that you're not going to see with a sliced product, and certainly you're not going to see with a rotary sawn type of product. So as you're showing and selling Newport, I would suggest that you hold it up against similar products of a similar design, but things that are sliced and things that are rotary, to show your customer really the true visual depth difference of Newport Plank. I've got a total of 6 colors of Newport. This is all European white oak, and the product has a level of thermal treatment to it. The thermal treatment basically means that they're going to heat that top core of the product, and the longer they heat it, the darker it gets. And because of its European white oak nature, it actually pulls a lot of character and tannin out of the product for a very, very realistic type of look. So certain products have more thermal treatments than others. There is some reactive staining and that type of thing, really to give good visual depth of character. That thermal treatment also adds just a little bit of stability and moisture resistance, so that's something that you can share with your customer. Like I said, the product is 7.5 inches wide. It's got a total 5/8 inch core to it, and the plank lengths go up to 72 inches. So you've got that wide width, long length type of thing. The product has a full sustainability story. There's no formaldehyde. It conforms to the Lacey Act, Carb 2 compliance. It's FlorStar certified, that type of thing. It has a Valspar finish on it with matte. It's got a lifetime residential construction warranty, 30-year finish, 5-year light commercial. We have extra large panels to show this, 20 inches by 30 inches, so that allows you to show 3 full widths of the product on a single panel. We've got the full story of Newport on the back. You've got a separate room scene for each one of those individual 6 colors. We have a storyboard for Newport that you can read through with your customer, so you don't have to necessarily memorize anything. And note that Arbor Ranch is a FlorStar brand, safe within the marketplace. You're not going to find this all over the internet. There's not going to be a whole lot of pricing pressure. There is a dedicated Arbor Ranch website. QR codes on your samples will take you directly to that website. We have digital catalogs, hard copy, tote boards, sample swatches, and that type of thing. Thanks for your time.